Hello students, welcome to my lecture. In this video I will discuss a question on collisions and center of mass topic. So this question appeared in JEE Mains 2023. The question as follows. A ball of mass 200 grams rests on a vertical post of height 20 meters. A bullet of mass 10 grams traveling in the horizontal direction hits the center of the ball. After the collision, both travels independently. Note this point. After the collision, both travels independently. The ball hits the ground at a distance of 30 meters and the bullet hits at a distance of 120 meters from the foot of the post. The value of initial velocity of the bullet is. The scenario can be drawn like this. So this is some height. So a ball is here. So a ball of mass 200 grams is here. The ball will be here and bullet is here, which is coming with a velocity u. So after hitting, both will travel independently and obviously they are following the projectile path. This problem is similar to horizontal projectile problem. So they are provided here range of the horizontal projectile. So after that the ball will be having some velocity and the ball finally fall here. The ball hits the ground at a distance of 20 and the bullet, whatever it may be, will hit it somewhere here. So this is the ball and this is the bullet. This is the bullet. So this is the range for the ball. This is range for the bullet. So they have given in the problem. So means after collision what will happen here? So the ball will be moving with some velocity and the bullet is moving with some velocity. So that means we can think of here, this is m at rest. So this m is moving, which initiate the that is collision. Then after collision, m moves with a velocity v2 and ball moves with a velocity v1. Okay, so I can apply the conservation of linear momentum here. This is my first idea. The conservation of linear momentum leads mu is equal to mv2 plus capital M v1. So this is my first equation. Okay, so now what is my second equation will be here. The range is provided. So range formula in horizontal projectile is velocity multiplied by time of flight. The time of flight formula is simply square root of 2 height divided by g, 2h by g. So this formula you have to remember. I think everybody knows this formula as it is a horizontal projectile. So everybody remember this formula. So range of the ball is given and range of the bullet is also given in the problem. As the range is given, so time of flight is same for both. T is same for both. So h is same, g is same, t is same. Okay, so from there indirectly we are getting the velocities. So from this velocity of the ball, so that is velocity of the ball I have taken as v1, that is range divided by time of flight. The range of the ball is given. The ball hits the ground at a distance of 30 meters divided by time of flight. Let me calculate here. This 2 into height is 20. So g I'll take 10 here, then indirectly I am getting here square root of 4, that is 2 seconds. That is 2 seconds. That is 15 meters per second. Now v2 will be is equal to range for the bullet. So for the bullet falls at a distance of 120, then time is again 2. Then 120 by 2 will be is equal to 60 meters per second. Put these values in equation 1. So when I put in equation 1, mass of the ball and mass of the bullet are already given. A bullet mass is 10 gram. Its velocity I need to determine. So v2 I got it as 60 plus m will be is of the mass of the ball. It is given as 200 grams into its velocity is given as 15. Just now we calculated. From here u will be is equal to 10 cancels, only 60 remains. 10 cancels, 20 will be there, so it will be 300. So then answer is 360 meters per second. Okay, so in this problem you need to remember the two ideas. One will be the collision idea, that is conservation of linear momentum idea. Another idea will be the horizontal projectile problem. So this problem is the horizontal projectile problem. Horizontal projectiles. In the horizontal projectile, indirectly what they have mentioned for us, the range is mentioned. The range is simply v into t. So that is, what is the v? That is, the v is the velocity with which they are moving. So once I know the velocity, I can calculate the time of flight because they have given the height of that pole. Okay, so the time of flight is the direct formula and it is same for all the objects. Okay, done. So easy question, but the two ideas is required to solve the problem. So thank you. Remember the ideas. Remembering ideas will make you problem solving will be easier. So not only the formulas, along with the formulas, you need to know the idea, the way you need to apply that formula in a given problem. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.